If you feel like your pores look huge and nothing seems to help, this video is for you. Today, we are breaking down how to reduce the look of large open pores in a realistic and lasting way. By the end, you will understand what pores actually are, why they appear bigger, and the exact steps that can help them look smoother over time. First, let us clear up a big misunderstanding. A pore is a tiny opening in your skin that releases oil and sweat. You cannot delete pores because they are a normal part of healthy skin. But you can make them look smaller and tighter. Pores often look large because of excess oil, dead skin buildup, sun damage, and loss of collagen, which is the protein that keeps skin firm. Genetics also play a role. If your parents have visible pores, you may notice them too. So when we talk about getting rid of large open pores permanently, we really mean long-term reduction in their appearance. The foundation of smaller-looking pores is consistent, gentle skincare, not harsh scrubbing. Step 1 is proper cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day to remove oil, dirt, and makeup. When oil sits in the pore and mixes with dead skin, it stretches the opening and makes it look wider. A common mistake is washing your face too many times a day, which can trigger more oil production and make pores look worse. Step 2 is exfoliation, which means removing dead skin cells from the surface. Chemical exfoliants use ingredients like acids to dissolve buildup inside the pore rather than scraping the skin. Salicylic acid is especially helpful for oily or acne-prone skin because it can travel into the pore and clear excess oil. If your skin is normal or slightly dry, gentle acids like lactic acid or low-strength glycolic acid may be better choices. If you have sensitive skin, start slowly and use exfoliating products only once or twice a week to avoid irritation. Over time, regular exfoliation can help pores look cleaner and less stretched. Step 3 is retinoids, which are vitamin A derivatives that increase cell turnover. Retinoids encourage your skin to produce more collagen, helping the walls around the pore appear firmer. This step requires patience because results often take several weeks, and mild dryness at the beginning is common. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or dealing with certain skin conditions, talk to a medical professional before using retinoids. Step 4 is niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3 that supports the skin barrier. Niacinamide can help regulate oil production and improve overall texture, which may reduce the look of enlarged pores. Step 5 is daily sunscreen. Sun exposure breaks down collagen and can make pores appear larger over time. Choose a lightweight sunscreen that feels comfortable so you are more likely to use it every day. When you protect your collagen, you support firmer skin and tighter-looking pores. Let us quickly recap the core routine. Cleanse, exfoliate. Use a retinoid, add niacinamide, and apply sunscreen. Clay masks can also be helpful once or twice a week to absorb excess oil from the surface. Think of clay masks as a short-term reset, not a permanent fix. Pore strips might look satisfying, but they mostly remove surface debris and can irritate the skin. Here is a myth versus truth moment. Myth: you can close your pores completely. Truth: you can only minimize their appearance. Imagine a teenager with very oily skin who feels embarrassed about visible pores on the nose and cheeks. For this person, a salicylic acid cleanser, light moisturizer, and oil-free sunscreen could be a simple starting routine. Now, think about someone with dry, mature skin who notices pores around the cheeks. For them, gentle exfoliation, a hydrating serum, and a low-strength retinoid may be more appropriate. Hydration is often overlooked. When skin is dehydrated, it can look rough and make pores stand out more. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid draw water into the skin and create a smoother appearance. A good moisturizer then seals that hydration in and supports a healthy skin barrier. Lifestyle factors matter too. Poor sleep and high stress can affect oil production and skin repair. Hormonal changes can also influence how much oil your skin produces. If you want faster or more dramatic results, professional treatments may help. Chemical peels performed by trained providers can resurface the skin and improve texture. Microneedling creates tiny controlled injuries that stimulate collagen production. Laser treatments can also target texture and stimulate skin tightening. Always consult a qualified dermatologist to decide which in-office treatment is safe for your skin type. To make this simple, remember the clear framework for pores. C stands for cleanse gently but consistently. L stands for lift away dead skin with the right exfoliant. E stands for enhance cell turnover with a retinoid. A stands for add niacinamide to balance oil. R stands for reinforce your skin with daily sunscreen. If you follow clear consistently, you give your skin the best chance to look smoother. One big mistake is layering too many strong products at once, which can damage your barrier. Always patch test new products on a small area before applying them to your whole face. Most people need at least 8 to 12 weeks to see noticeable improvement. Take clear photos in the same lighting every few weeks to track progress realistically. Heavy, pore clogging makeup can exaggerate texture, especially if it is not removed properly. Make sure you remove makeup fully at night with a gentle cleanser. If you shave your face, use a clean tool and soothing products to avoid irritation around pores. Men can follow the exact same principles, especially if they deal with oily skin and visible pores. Climate matters. In humid weather, you may need lighter products, while dry climates call for more hydration. When traveling, keep your routine simple so your skin does not get overwhelmed. Signs of overexfoliation include redness, burning, and increased sensitivity. If this happens, stop active ingredients for a few days and focus on soothing and moisturizing. Sometimes pores look worse because of active breakouts stretching the skin. In that case, focus on acne control first, then return to texture refining steps. Remember that long-term improvement comes from steady habits, not quick fixes. Once you see progress, maintain your routine rather than stopping everything. As we age, collagen naturally decreases, which can make pores more noticeable. Eating a balanced diet with enough protein supports overall skin health. Be cautious with supplements that promise dramatic skin changes, and talk to a professional before starting them. Facial massage can improve circulation, but it will not permanently shrink pores. Splashing your face with cold water may make skin feel tighter temporarily, but it does not change pore size. Ice cubes can reduce puffiness for a short time, yet the effect fades quickly. Steaming your face too often can irritate the skin and make oil production worse. It is also important to understand the difference between blackheads and pores themselves. Treat blackheads with gentle exfoliation and avoid squeezing, which can stretch the pore opening. Consistency is more powerful than intensity when it comes to skincare. A simple morning routine could be cleanse, niacinamide, moisturizer, and sunscreen. A simple night routine could be cleanse, retinoid, and moisturizer. Once or twice a week, add your chosen exfoliant on a night when you are not using strong retinoids. You do not need expensive products to see improvement, just well-chosen ingredients. Luxury packaging does not equal better results for your pores. If you have very sensitive skin, introduce one product at a time and go slowly. If you have deeper skin tones, protect against hyperpigmentation by being extra consistent with sunscreen. If you are using prescription acne medication, check with your doctor before adding new active ingredients. I would love to know what you have already tried for your pores, so share your experience in the comments. If this breakdown is helpful, subscribe and like the video so you do not miss future skin guides. And if you have a friend who always complains about large pores, share this video with them. Let us do one final recap. Cleanse gently, exfoliate wisely, use retinoids carefully, support with niacinamide, and protect with sunscreen. Set realistic expectations and focus on steady improvement rather than perfection. There is no overnight miracle, but there is real progress when you stay consistent. If your pores are paired with severe acne or scarring, seek personalized advice from a dermatologist. Starting today, choose a gentle cleanser that matches your skin type. Then add one targeted treatment, like salicylic acid or a low-strength retinoid. Commit to wearing sunscreen every single day, even when it is cloudy. Track your routine for at least 8 weeks before judging the results. Adjust slowly if needed, rather than changing everything at once. With patience and smart care, your skin can look smoother and more refined. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I will see you in the next video.